today we're going to be doing a snowman decoration for Christmas. These are the materials you'll be needing. You'll be needing rice, about 2 cups, a small ribbon, like it's supposed to be thin, this wire thing, make sure it's orange because it's supposed to represent the nose, scissors, 2 socks, and 3 markers. We got green, pink, and black. So we're going to start off with the sock and the ribbon. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the cup, put it in here. Since I cannot do this all by myself, so I'm going to use a cup to help me. And then we're going to pour in the rice right through the hole. Still need more. No. Now we're going to be tying this up with the ribbon. That's why we need the ribbon for. And we'll tie it up.
Hey, mommy.
There you go, I finally got it. Now we're going to do a second one, just to be sure and secured. I'm going to cut it right at the top. Now we're going to be making the neck, so we're going to try to figure out where to put it, and then we get another ribbon. We tie it up again, but make sure it's not too tight. Now you want to cut the X's. So how we do that? We just get the extra parts. There you go. And now we cut the top part as well. We're gonna get our new sock, well, the other sock, and we're gonna cut it in 3 sections, right in the middle, and then half, and right here. Like, right here, and then right here, and then right here. So we're gonna be doing that right now.
Oops, it's a mole.
And there you go. So we got our pieces, 4 pieces. Now we're gonna be cutting about 1 centimeter in this sock where you see that. And just to make these frizzies, these little tiny things, we're gonna cut them. Hopefully I cut them right this time. There you go. So now we're going to be shaping the hat. So we put everything together and we get another piece of ribbon and do another knot. So we got the snowman ready to decorate it now, the fun part, and we're gonna cut off the excess before we put it on. Actually, I'll put it on right now, and then we'll cut the excess. Now you want to get 1 piece to put in for the scarf. I'm gonna cover that ribbon that we had earlier. Then you want to get the other one and cut it in half and put it in between to make a scarf. Make these lines. Now we're going to be cutting this wire so we can put for the nose just like these right there. So we're going to get our scissors. Make sure you do it like longer than what's going to show because we have to put it in its nose. Make sure it's like centered. Now we're going to be doing the eyeballs right in the middle. Okay. Now we're going to be doing the cheeks with the pink, light pink marker. Okay, now we're going to be doing the buttons, which are these. We're going to do 3 with the green marker. Okay. So now we're done decorating. Now we could add it to the snowman family. We are done with these snowmen, and my favorite one was this one, the one I made. And thanks to my brother, he helped so much. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and goodbye.